The Earth's magnetic field and gravity are forces we rely on every day, often without realizing how intricately they work together to sustain life as we know it. The magnetic field, how it forms. At the heart of our planet lies the core, made mostly of iron and nickel. It has two layers. The inner core, solid due to immense pressure, with temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun. The outer core, molten metal which heats and cools in cycles, creating convection currents. As the Earth rotates, these convection currents twist and stretch into spiral motions, influenced by the Coriolis force. When the moving liquid iron, an excellent conductor, interacts with a weak, pre-existing magnetic field, it generates electric currents. These electric currents, in turn, generate a magnetic field which interacts with the molten iron, amplifying and sustaining itself in a process called geodynamo. The geodynamo process produces a magnetic field that extends outwards into space, surrounding the Earth, forming the magnetosphere. This magnetic field shields Earth from harmful solar radiation and charged particles. Gravity, the fabric of space-time. Einstein's theory of relativity explains gravity as the warping of space-time caused by mass and energy. Visualize space-time as a stretchy fabric. Heavy objects create dips, pulling smaller objects toward them. On Earth, this is why we feel gravity as a constant pull toward the center, anchoring everything to the ground. The connection between gravity and the magnetic field. Gravity and the magnetic field are a dynamic duo. Gravity stabilizes the core layers. It keeps the inner core solid and the outer core molten, maintaining the convection currents that drive the geodynamo. Gravity shapes Earth itself. Its influence on Earth's slightly flattened shape, bulging at the equator, flattened at the poles, impacts how the outer core flows, subtly affecting magnetic field strength and stability. Why this matters for life on Earth. The magnetic field acts as Earth's shield, protecting the atmosphere and surface from solar winds and radiation. Meanwhile, gravity ensures this shield stays intact by preserving core dynamics. Together, they allow for a stable atmosphere, ecosystems, and daily life. Their effects touch our lives in practical ways. Navigation. The magnetic field powers compasses for explorers and migrating animals. Technology. It protects satellites essential for communication, GPS, and weather forecasting. Tides and stability. Gravity regulates ocean tides and keeps life grounded, literally. Oh, and one fun fact. When your compass points north, it's actually aligning with Earth's magnetic south pole. So, technically north is south. How's that for a twist?